Hi everyone, I'm Chiara from Dreamer Real Estate, and today we are in the heart of Chianti to guide you in this truly enchanting country house for sale at 5.5 million. Follow me. This house is huge and used to be an old farmhouse, date back to the 14th century. The country house is around 900 square meters with 9 bedrooms and 9 bathrooms and a lot of room where you can enjoy comfort and privacy. The land is huge, it's about 9 hectares with olive trees and a lot of plants. But also the outdoor area is full of different spots. There is a swimming pool, fully equipped area. Then there is the fienile, there are 2 annexes, and there are terraces, lodges, pergolas. It's perfect to enjoy it in each spot in a different ways. Now we have the chance to meet Sibylle. She's the owner, and she renovated completely the whole villa. She's a well-known French interior designer, but we can say that she's a woman of the world. She has office in Dubai, in Florence, in Paris, but she chose Tuscany as a family house. Let's go inside to ask her why she chose Tuscany. Ciao Sibylle.
Oh, buongiorno Chiara, come stai?
Very good, you?
Chiara, very nice to welcome you in our house.
Thank you very much. And what I want to say that it really surprised me is the job that you have done in the renovation of this house. In Chianti, there are a lot of like old farmhouse that sometimes okay, they are renovated, but if they're like too Tuscany and classic style.
We try to make it a little more contemporary because, as you know, that's typically it's very rustic and you have those wooden beams. I wanted something more airy. As you know, you are not able to do what you want in Tuscany. It's very conservative and very preserved. So it was really nice to have this kind of area space and feel, because we have visited 27 houses before to select this one, but together you have different spaces and different areas, so you have privacy. I mean, if you are coming with your kids or with the guests, you know, they have their own privacy. Of course, we have changed a lot of things like adding stairs, changing the garden. We work with a landscape designer. He's Italian, of course, so he did a great job. We love what he did. And we had also 2 new staircases that were addition to the existing, because we were only accessing from one side of the house. We have the heating with underfloor heating, which is very unusual. Even the isolation of the roof has been done from above, so you don't mention it, you still have the terracotta, but then you have the comfort because it can be very cold during winter.
I'm very curious regarding your happy place.
Yeah, happy place. We have many happy places because, I mean, depending on the season. So of course, the aperitivo outdoor terrace is amazing. We're gonna see it.
Enjoying the landscape and everything.
But we have a special place, which is a small terrace. We did with my husband. We did some vineyards, but just to enjoy the tasting of the grape, not for wine. The light is so beautiful, it's very unique. You can't find that light in any other places.
So let's go and let's continue the tour together. So this is the wine cellar.
It's really unexpected. So when we came here, we found this place. Say, wow, this is unbelievable. We're gonna share with friends. We have, Italian and French wine because we are wine lovers. The difficult part is to keep it full.
I see.
Yeah. Maybe it's time for champagne because I'm from a family, champagne family. Yes.
It's so nice. We love champagne, all the Italians, but I think all over the world.
I think so, yeah.
And this area is so wonderful also, I mean, for events.
Yeah,
enjoy.
especially this is a place where we gather all together in the evening for the aperitivo, and you know, we know that at like 7:30 this is the time.
And also, I mean, you don't have neighbors that maybe can complain. You know?
can hear it's so quiet. Yes, I mean, you can party anytime. This is you'll not disturb anyone, but you are not far to a village. And it's 4 kilometers from Radda, so you can go there, you can go shopping. You have many incredible restaurants around.
And also I see some golf.
Oh yes, my husband, he likes to practice golf. Cheers.
Cheers, Sibel. Molto buono.
Buono.
Molto.
I like also a spritz, but it's different.
Guys, as you can see, I'm already in the summer Tuscany mood, wearing this hat. I really enjoy this property. It's a true jewel in the countryside of Tuscany region. And I really thank you to watch this video. If you really like it, please don't forget to subscribe in the link below. And don't miss the next video tour. Bye bye, thank you, ciao!